This is our first deal of the day. On this deal of the day, we are giving away, up for grabs, is a Mitsubishi 4000 lumen projector. Full disclosure, it has been pre-owned, fully tested, but works great. It also has HDMI, VGA, and RCA inputs. It has RCA audio outputs for hooking up to external speakers. It also includes the remote control and power cord. So the big question is, how do you win this deal of the day? First, like this video on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, and then in the comments post deal of the day. If you're not following us on all those platforms, there's no better time than now to subscribe. 1 week from today, we'll randomly draw a winner from those comments, and we'll contact you via private message of your shipping address, and we'll ship it out to you. And that's your deal of the day.